Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my page. My name is Mawa, my good name is Mawa, and today I'm doing a vlog of the positive side of being a farmer, or what it means to be a farmer, to be precise, in Kitui. So sun-kissed, it's around Majioni, around 6 actually, and this is how it looks. Let's do this. So if you enjoy such videos, if you enjoy my videos so far, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, tell a friend. We are on our road to 2,000 subscribers. We're almost there, and well, this is like a farm tour or something. So when you come to the farm, you first get in through the gate, kuna ka clearance kidogo, and then we go to the main part. By the way, we are almost in the harvesting season this month. This is June, so we'll be harvesting the onions, we'll be harvesting some tomatoes straight from the farm. So if you need any of that, hit that let me know in the comment section. You can also email me, or my contact is somewhere in the bio. Let me know in case you need any of that. Yeah, so this is the official tour. So first things first, when you decide to become a farmer, you have to have an irrigation system, either an irrigation system, or you just have to have a way you can irrigate your plants, because one thing that is majorly needed is water. So in this system, we have a borehole that pumps water to these tanks using solar. If you have been to Kitui or heard about anything kuhusu Kitui, you know that we don't experience a lot of rain, so farming can be a bit tricky. That is why you need a lot of water. But the positive side of having a dry season, or having that kind of weather, is you harvest very sweet tomatoes, very sweet fruits, you just have very nice products when they eventually happen. So the tomatoes are so perfect, that one I promise you. The bananas are the best. Like, everything you get from this area is amazing. So yeah, from the veggies to the cabbages to misheveve, like, everything is just perfect. That is the one advantage of having your products. Kwanza, the carrots, oh my god, and the mangoes, definitely. So yeah, that is point number one. Ensure that your irrigation system is proper. So in this, hey baby, karibuni saha, we are having a sunset. Can you see it? It's so pretty. I don't know if I'm getting the right view anyway, but it's so pretty. And number two, you plan your farm. You can either have an agronomist or someone who has a better experience in farming, and then they'll guide you on things you can have in the farm, the kind of crops you can go for, the kind of irrigation system you can go for. There's a number of them. So they'll advise you on what is right, when you can do it, how you can do it, and all that. So invest in a good agronomist, or just someone who will guide you through. They don't have to be like agronomists Amanda Shule and all that. If maybe they have quite an experience with that, perfect. So yeah, that is number two. You can see the solar panels up there. Yeah, to pump. Now that is another advantage of having your farm in somehow a sunny area, because the power that will be used to produce or to pump the water from the borehole to the tanks, storage tanks, and to the farm majorly comes from the sun. But then that is also, I should actually count that as an investment number two when you decide to become a farmer. By the way, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share. Let us continue growing. Let me know how you like your crops. Let me know what you go for when you, let me know your ideal kind of snacks in the farm, the fruits. We have sugarcane, you have bananas. Let me know what is your best farm product. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you've watched till this part. That is the first area I have shown you. That is the entrance part, where we have Izomaji, the pumping system. We have the solar system. We also have the bananas. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. I'm so in love, by the way. So if you like this kind of content, remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what are the kind of plants you love. What is some of the things you like to, and let me know what are some of the things you love to see in the farm. Anything that you want, the number I've told you is in the description bar. It's also in the bio. And if you love some of these episodes, I'll get more people. You can talk about it, you can know what you can go for and all that. So we continue. Hi, we're back. So from this side of the farm, we have tester kind of tomatoes. So when you're planting something on your farm, you have to go for a tester is I don't know the right term, but it's just a small piece, just a small amount unapandanga for you to know if it works in your farm, it doesn't. If it works with your soil, it doesn't. That way you'll be sure you're going for a large scale of how the outcome will be. So what I'm about to show you is a tester of the tomatoes we had before I show you now the other breed we went for, which has worked perfectly. So they are good, but they didn't pick as we would have hoped. So these are the tomatoes that I'm talking about. I can't really remember the name of this breed, but hazina they didn't grow sana, hazikukuwa bushy, and I think tulipoteza kidogo kidogo, but that is what we have replaced with kina mahindi. Something I didn't talk about, in this farm we go for drip irrigation. That is why you can see the pipes on the ground. So it's easier because you only have to maybe kufungulia maji at a given time, and then they irrigate a block by block. So this is what we are using for testers on tomatoes. See, they are not so bad anyway. They should be harvested anytime from next week. So this month, June, July, and probably August, we'll have tomatoes. In case you need any of that, just let me know in the contact. Subscribe, tafadhali, share. Yeah, let us grow, let us do this. Farming is quite interesting. Ukipata the other state, I don't know, just it's interesting. Yeah, personally I love it. You see, we also have mbaazi, isn't it? Peace. This is something that Kambas are known for. It's kind of like minji, but I believe it's better than minji. There is this, they are so sweet. They are so sweet. Majorly found kwa Wakamba. If you're a Kamba by then you're watching this video, yeah, comment down below. How do you like it? Zo, they are so beautiful. They are so tasty. Personally, I prefer them kuliko kina minji, but kind of the same group. So these are the tomatoes. We move to the next. So the next section I'm going to show you is kina spinach. Now this is more like a kitchen garden, but we also supply to the locals. So we have kina mchicha, terere, same thing I think. We have spinach, we have kales, we have bell peppers, not the colored ones though. Majorly for this, they're not on sale. We supply to the locals because they're not as many as, yeah. So let me show you. So here we have kina dania, bado zinaendelea kugrow. So we have like a line up to the far end, that is dania. We had cabbage in this line, but they have been harvested. So waki kidogo kidogo. So we are done with that, but they did very well. So that is something we'll also consider going for large scale. The cabbage, this is spinach. They're so sweet. Yo, they're so good. So this is spinach from the far end to hapa. Seeming hivyo sana, it is something you can have to start delivering to Nairobi and all that. But in case you need them and you are around this area, either in Kitui town, just this area, just let me know. They can organize for you, but a bigger quantity, that is a large scale, like, yeah, a big number, yeah, order ikuwe kubwa kidogo. So that is spinach his side. This is colored, not colored, sorry, this is just the normal bell peppers, kina hoho, but I think they're turning red actually. Yeah, this, because now they are turning red. This is a normal one. We have like a line, so in case you also need any of this around Kitui County, around Kitui County, let me know. Ama you can just DM me in case you need any of these things. DM me, we can talk and know how you can get them. Either just let me know anyway. So in the whole farm we use drip irrigation. This is the bell peppers. There's something that doesn't need a lot of water is ombazi, the piece. They don't need a lot of water. They take up to 2 seasons to grow, but you can, as I've said, get an agronomist or someone who's more experienced in agriculture. They'll guide you on what to do, when to do it, how to do it, and all that. So these are these are just bell peppers. You can see them. Zimeanza kukua already, by the way. Next we have kales. Hizi ni sukuma wiki. So sukuma wiki pia si mingi. It's a number of them. Ni season ya kuharvest beans. These are beans. This you can plant anywhere, by the way. The beans misheveve ilikuwa kila mahali pia. It was a number. The kales are so fresh, so good, so juicy from home. Guys, I'm about to show you, as I was saying, the red bell peppers. So this is the main project. It's pretty and it's huge. Oh my god, it has taken up to 3 months, and around this month we'll be harvesting. Place your orders because this inaenda mbio. So let me show you. Onion. Let me tell you, this has been an amazing project so far. This is perfect. This is just beautiful. So it's quite a lot. But now this, okay, when you're going for agriculture, you have like one. Oh god, my brain is playing a number on me. Anyway, you go for one crop or one plant that you maybe major on, and then you have some extras as just in case. So for now, this is what we went for the past 3 months. We've been working on onion. It's almost ready for harvesting. As you can see. We were working on 2 major crops, that is the onions and the tomatoes. They're almost ready. I'm not sure I can walk this entire place, so I think I'll just zoom in for you. You can see we went for drip irrigation, worked very well. If you're thinking of going for that, it's perfect. But yeah, that is it. Place your orders, by the way. Place your orders. This one we're delivering countrywide, so in case you need any of it, as I said earlier, so in case you need any of this, I love being at home. So in case you need any of this is like Mkulima 101. So in case you need any of this, let me know in the number, kwa bio, kwa description. Itakuwa tu everywhere. I hope I remember to update it. So let me know. In case you need any of this, let me know. We'll catch up. We'll talk about it. Yeah, we will work together we will work on getting you this. So next segment, guys, I told you about the tomatoes that were used for experiment. This is the breed we went for. Eventually it's hybrid. You can get any. This is what our agronomist advised on. Guys, it's beautiful. I don't think this camera is doing it any justice because, oh my god, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Just look at it. I mean, look at that. Look at how pretty they look. So this whole area up to the far end, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Yeah, up to the far end, that is tomato. So we had 2 main crops for this season, tomatoes and onions, that are ready in June, July. Actually in June. The onions in June, the tomatoes June, July, August, we'll still have them. So yeah, and look at that. And this Let me tell you guys, all this is homegrown from Kitui. The advantage you're going to have when you go for these crops is one thing, they're from Kitui. You all know that vitu zenye zime go through that process of, you know, they're a bit sweeter. Just let me know in the comment section. My Kitui jamani is so sweet. Crops from Kitui, carrots from Kitui, they're just so sweet. So I have shown you the process of farming. Okay, I didn't show you the process, but I've shown you the farm. So place your orders. Let me know in anything you need. The number, as I said, is clearly in the bio. It's also in the description box. Comment, let me know what you need in the farm. We are also thinking of going for more crops and more things, so yeah, let me know. This is a drip irrigation in process. Can you see? So that is what happens. This block is currently being irrigated. These are watermelons. It's currently being irrigated. It's so amazing. It's a bit late, so the video is not so clear, but anyway, we're going to be, it's quite late, so the video is not so clear anymore, but anyway. Oh, we also have some animals. By the way, hapo nyuma we have cows, sheep. Yeah, so it's quite late. That is it for the farm today. We are going to be, comment down below if you love this kind of content, the farm 101. I'll have like a series of farm 101. Also, we'll get a name, we'll get the whole thing. So also let me know in the contact if you need any of these things, either large scale for wholesale or retail. We can also organize for deliveries to your doorstep, so let us know if you're also interested in Ethiopia. For now, it's quite late, as you can see. I am not so sure I'll include this segment because it's quite dark anyway. So that is all. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. So much more is yet to come to about farming 101 series, the farm 101 series, as also the mommy diary. So that is all. Until next time, adios.